Hello. Parang ang bagal ng internet. Wala pa kaming wifi. Kakalipat lang kasi. Hi everyone! How are you? Gusto kayong lahat. Thank you po. Babalik talaga ako sa Vanta. Kailan nga yun? Sinong nang mamaliit na kumain ka ng lens? Wala naman, okay na yun. Nakwento ko lang naman. Kayo naman. May pinadala yung pants sa akin. Thank you. Ano to? Ultimate Resilience Serum. So, kapag pinahid ko ba to sa mukha ko, magiging resilient ba ako na tao? Okay, babasahin ko. Pond's Skin Institute Hydra Miracle. Hydra Miracle. So, Hydra means tubig. May milagro siya ng tubig. So, pwede siyang inumin. Dami na shock na hindi ka kasama sa top. Okay lang yan, baka sa mga next. Charis! Yes, I'm resilient, so this product fits me very well. In Tagalog, sakto sa akin ang produktong ito ng Ponds. Okay. Up next, meron din silang Pond's Skin Institute Hydra Miracle Ultimate Resilience Ultra Light Biome Gel. Wow, Biome. This is so like, what do you call this? Tiltulating. This is a tiltulating product. Okay, next is Gentle Cleanser. So, if you use this product, it's so gentle. So, it's gonna call you babe. It's gonna update you every hour of the day. Totoo po ba na sinasamba niyo si Matilda? Yes. Okay, next. We have... Ano to? Pares lang eh. Biome gel din. Okay, so this product for me is so exfoliating. It exfoliates all the cells with freebies. Yes. How's all of you guys? Wala lang, nag-live lang ako kasi gusto ko lang, na-miss ko lang kayong lahat. And, ayun lang na March. Bring home the crown. Sige. See you again on Sunday. Oy, see you on Sunday. Magpo-promote lang ako ulit. Kasi andun kasama ko si Siam, bagong guest siya. Si Ivory Glaze, tapos hosted by Hannah Beshi. I-rewatch lang namin yung episode. Pero, baka mag-expect kayo na papanoorin lang namin siya. Hindi. Like, ipa-pass forward, ipa-pause. Ako yung magko-control ng laptop. Tapos may mga mic kami habang nanonood. Ganun! Pwede ba bagets, Tom? Hindi ko alam, be. No. Sa show ko, pwede naman. Basta may pwede naman ng minor sa show ko. Kasi hindi naman tayo magiinuman noon, tsaka maaga naman siya. Pero dapat may kasama kayong mga major. May kasama kayong guardians man lang. Tsaka yung mga 14, mga 13 years old. Magstay na lang kayo sa bahay nyo at gumawa muna ng mga assignment. May bagong new release. Bago na new release pa. Tatarin nyo ng bookings and pera. To be honest, okay na ako sa mga bookings. As in, kulang na nga yung isang 7 days a week para sa akin. Punta na lang kayo every Sunday kasi nga may every Sunday pa ako. So, ang pahinga ko, today may i-film pa ako mamayang gabi. So, ang pahinga ko lang, Tuesday na yung pahinga ko kasi may racket pa ako ng Monday. So, I'm still booked and blessed on top of pagiging producer ng sarili kong show every Sunday. Sobrang baby ko yon kasi as a frustrated producer, sobrang happy ko na this time itutuloy-tuloy ko siya. Kasi ang dami kong pinroduce na shows nung last year and sobrang hirap na hirap ako i-produce yun. And ang daming nagpo-produce ng show na malalaki, ganon-ganon. Pero syempre, hindi naman ako nag-produce ng show para kumalaban ng mga produce. Hindi naman yun. Yung parang, nandun kasi yung passion ko. I love writing. I love directing. So, ayun. Gusto ko kapag natatranslate yung vision ko into a show. Super ganda ng costume, mami. Thank you. Hindi po siya costume, it's outfits. Tatagalugin mo ba buong episode? Abangan nyo na lang. Hindi yung kasi hindi ko rin alam. Ikaw na mag-produce? Ako na mag-produce? Kaya nga gusto ko nga Wala lang, ang saya lang mag-produce ng sarili mong show. Pero sobrang hirap niya. As in, tapos to think na gagawin ko siya every week. Dun sa episode 1, National Costume. Okay, thank you. Arizona for season 4 ulit. Grabe naman. Hindi pa nga tapos next season agad. Saan mapapanood yung show ko po every Sunday spot sa Hosik. Nasa profile ko yung tickets. Lagi kong pinopost yan. And if you want to get updated with my shows, follow Arizona Branded. English yun. Alam mo, natatawa ako. Hi, Vince! Basta ako, solid season 2 from season 2 solid fan ako. Thank you. Natatawa ako nung isang araw kasi parang feeling ko nagamit ko yung kasi nag-BPO ako for a while nung nag-pandemic. Nag-work from home ako as a BPO. Parang medyo nagamit ko yung BPO experience. Ang galing, no? Everything happens for a reason. Kasi yung experience pala na yun, kasi pala mag-i-English akong malalay dito. Ang galing, ganon. Ang galing ng universe. Tapos sa Sunday pala, maraming mangyayari. Like, hindi lang siya basta viewing party. Merong activities, merong games, merong maaliw kayo para siyang variety show. Ayan, based on experience. Marunong naman ako mag-English dati, nung college pa lang. Pero, ayun, parang mas nahasa yung English skills ko nung nag-call center ako. Parang wala lang, naalala ko kasi ngayon may Australiano, may mga ganun kaming mga customer, mga Australian. So, may mga British kaming customer. Doon ko natutunan umintindi ng accent ng mga ng mga banyaga. Mahusay naman tayong... Oo naman. Wala naman akong sinabing hindi tayo mahusay. Ano, Kathleen? Charis! Anong account mo? Tapos share ko lang. Parang ang saya ko lang kasi nadagdagan na ulit yung followers ko sa Instagram, ganon. Kasi medyo frustration ko rin. Frustration ko rin yung social media. Kasi kahit hindi pa namin, kahit nag-air na yung season namin, and tapos na mag-air yung season namin, yung season 2, sobrang naglalabas pa rin ako at sobrang tinatry ko talagang gandahan yung mga photoshoot, ganon. Tapos ngayon, parang ngayon lang siya nagbunga. So, I'm so happy sa mga sa mga bago kong followers. Hello. So, frustration ko yung social media kasi hindi naman ako ma-phone, hindi ako ma-social media, hindi ako ma-TikTok as a person. Hindi ako Gen Z. Ano ako? Boomer. Charis! So, parang frustration ko post. Like, ano bang trend ngayon? Ano bang uso? Hindi ko siya alam. So, ayun. Pero happy naman ako. Isang hay lang, makikinig na ako sa teacher namin. Umalis ka na dito, be. Tsaka parang, ang happy ko rin kasi parang ang dami naka-appreciate sa art ko, and actually, yun yung gusto kong patunayan this time na kahit even comedy and camp is an art. Hindi lang siya basta... gusto ko na ma-consider din siya as art kasi to begin with, drag is art, diba? Oo na, Paulo. Cha! Oo nga ang wish ko lang, sana dumami pa yung followers ko kasi ang dami kong hinandang content, ang ganda ng mga photoshoot ko, excited ako makita nyo and i-share sa inyo mga ideas ko. Tapos gusto ko lang din mag-thank you sa anong tawag dito, mag-thank you sa lahat ng mga gumawa ng mga looks ko for this week. Hi Riri. Belated happy birthday. Naalala ko. Shout out to Raymart Cacho. Ayan na, wag ka namang flood. Ayun. Shout out sa inyong lahat. Arizona, do you have shows on September 17? I'll be in Manila and I really want to see you in flesh. I'm not sure if you'll see me in flesh because maybe I'll be wearing orange or you'll see me in orange or blue or white or black, but I don't have a flesh outfit as of the moment. Yes, I do have shows on the 17th. This Sunday yon, di ba? Tama ba? Oo, I have shows on the 17th. It's on my profile. It's called Arizona Bonding, The Rewind Party. I'll be with Ivory Glaze, Siam. It's hosted by Hannah Beshi and produced by me. So I hope you watch that. Please, I'm begging you. And more than 50% na yung capacity. So malapit na ma-sold out. Hopefully ma-sold out siya. Kahit 2 days na lang. Pero kaya yan. Maanong feeling na fan favorite ka? Grabe naman. September 17 me. Putang ina ka. Marunong ka naman pala mag-Tagalog. English pa ako. September pala, not August. August? Doon nga muna, Melvin. September pa pala. Hindi sana sa September ka nagtanong. August pa lang ngayon, nagtatanong ka na. Wala pa tayo dun, be. Gigigil ako sa'yo, tapos in-English mo pa ako. Charis. Ano ka lang, bisita ka lang sa profile ko, makikita mo yung mga shows ko. Tapos follow mo lang yung ano, masend mo nga sa akin, hindi na nag-work yung QR na yon. For that time lang yon. Mga pasaway kayo eh. Sinabi ng bumili kasi may discount, tapos hindi bumili, ngayon lang magbibilihan. Bakla, I miss you. I miss you, Tupeng 5,000, be. Nanggigigil ako, wala akong 80k this week, oh. Bunuin niyo. Sige nga, kung ako talaga yung top para sa inyo, bunuin niyo yung 80,000. Dali, sendan niyo ako. Dali. Ito na. Ayan na, Gcash ko yan. Dali. Road to 80,000 pesos. Anong say mo na almost lahat? I will say to those people, it's okay. I'm not sad. I did not get the Rue badge. The top 2 deserves it. But I'm sad because I didn't get the 80,000. So if you like, I'm doing a fundraiser for my own good. It's road to 80,000. Pwede 8 muna. Yes, okay lang na 8 muna. 8 pesos each. Kung lahat kayo 110. 80,000 divided by 110 viewers. 80,000. Ang hirap. If everyone on my live donates for around 750 pesos, I will get the 80,000. I will get the cash prize. So, I'm challenging you. Fundraiser for my own sake. Napasolve. You know what? It's okay if 70,000 because in the long run, pag tumakbo tayo ng mahaba, in the long run, yung 70,000 kapag nilagay natin yun sa bangko, magiging 80,000 yan in the future. So, 70,000 is okay. I love math so much. Wala lang, favorite subject ko yung math. Share ko lang. Gcash mo ba yan? Report ko na. Epal ka ba sa buhay mo? Cha! 1 million. Sige, road to 2 million. Cha! Or, wag nyo na pala ako bigyan ng pera. Bumili na lang kayo ng ticket. This Sunday. Catch Arizona banding. Bakit nila ika-catch, ate? Hindi naman mahuhulog yan. Nako, hindi dapat catch. Kasi pag catch, ibig sabihin, binato mo eh. Tapos, paano yun? Ibabato ba ako? Ganun ba yun? Hindi catch. Mali. Dapat kasi ang gusto natin gawin is pumunta sila. So, come. Dapat come. Come, Arizona bonding. Pwede ba hulugan dyan sa ticket? Bakit nyo naman po huhulugin yung ticket? Nako, kapag may ticket po kayo, kailangan nyo siyang bigyan ng importansya. You should make importance of the ticket. You should not drop it. Okay? Thoughts sa bingi, Queens, ng Slation. Wala namang bingi sa Slation ngayon. Wala namang mga Actually, I hope na next time may makas tayo na na mga bingi na Queens in the future. Nag-send ako 20. Thank you! Pwede ba G-Gives sa ticket or home credit? Yes! Bakit po i-credit ang bahay nyo? 800 lang po ang ticket. Bakit nyo po isasangla ang buong bahay nyo? Iko-collateral. Bakit nyo siya i-home credit? Hindi pala 800, 900 lang ang ticket. Gcash ko yan, Paolo. Pengi akong pera. Road to 80,000. Hello po, fan na fan po kita since D1? I'm not your fan. I'm not a fan of you. Cha! Spay later. Bakit nyo naman ipapaspay yung mga alaga nyo? Bakit nyo naman ipapakapon yung mga yan? Para lang makabili ng ticket ko. Nako, wag nyo ipaspay yung mga alaga nyo para lang manood sa show ko. Nako, mali yan. Lalagay ko po number mo sa online lending apps. I know that's a joke, but that is penalized. That is punishable by law. So if ever I have my proof here na pag may gumawa niyan, ikaw yon and ipapahanap kita. Cha! Punishable by law yun, lalo na pag na-truck kayo. And ang dali lang mang-truck ngayon kasi lahat na ng meron ng mga GP churros. At saka gaano ka ka-wicked to do that? Parang ang wicked naman ng utak mo. Si ano ka ba? Anong tawag sa production na yun? Cha! Ano yun yung nawala na? Eme. Is that your hotline number? Sister, my line is not hot, okay? It's actually very cold here. The AC's turned on. Black ivory glaze. Wait lang, Paolo, may ginagawa ako, te. Kamusta ka na, Mare? Hindi yung ang dami mong say. Kamusta ka na?
Flabbergasted.
Ah!
La.
Understand Tagalog now?
Flabbergasted. Oh. I have not got a lighting set up here yet. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good.
Are you good? You're good? Hi, good.
Hi.
It's Arizona
Hi.
Brandy.
Well, I'm glad you
Okay.
got the dad jokes down. It's very manly of you.
Not a dad joke, ha? You look like a dad because you're a daddy. Ah.
I think you got more beard than me, girl. I don't know about that.
Do I?
I
No.
think so. But I have only this patch left from laser. It's really weird.
How are you, Ivory? Do you have shows you want you want them to see?
Yeah, maybe I do. Maybe. Tonight I'm at Rampa. So I'm doing that. And then early morning the next day I'm at Butterboy, which I didn't know it was going to be that late of a show at Rampa and that early of a call time at Butterboy.
Right.
So I think I'm going to be sleeping in my
Who's
makeup.
that?
I don't know. I just said yes. And then on Sunday I've got something on, but I don't know. Not that important.
And then on Sunday, the most important show of the week.
Oh yes, very important. Very important. Yeah, I'm gonna be with you, Ari, at a venue I don't know, but maybe I'll just go with you. I don't know how. I never know how early to leave for gigs too, because your traffic is so wild here. So I will be there.
All right. See you.
And Siam is going to be there too, right?
Yeah. Siam will be there, and we're gonna have a lot of fun.
And drinks.
And drinks, and we're gonna teach you We're gonna teach you a few more words, because you lack vocabulary when it comes to Tagalog.
I agree. I don't have my Duolingo tick of approval just yet. I think there's a few more words I can definitely learn from you guys.
Right. Right now, mukha kang tanga.
Mukha tanga.
Mukha kang tanga ngayon, te. As in, like, bigay ko sa'yo yung pagiging mukhang bobo every day. Yay!
Yes. Actually, maybe you can teach me. What do we say at Mama Pash? It's like the pup, babak, gagak, the pup, gagak. They were explaining it like 10 times to me, and I still can't do it.
Oh my God. nakakapagpabagabag.
Yeah, see now
Bitch,
that's the dot in my head.
you lag for a while.
Yeah. Napapakakat. No. Doesn't matter.
Pero, but right now, like, marunong ka naman mag-Tagalog, di ba? Marunong ka.
Eme.
Oo.
Mm.
Di ba? Marunong siya, guys. So, alam mo, nagjo-joke ka lang, pero nakakaintindi ka. Alam naming lahat yan.
Char.
Char!
Char. Char.
That's the only word you memorized after.
No, and burat. That's it. Those are the 2 words I learned.
Char and burat.
Yeah, that's
You know
all I
what
need,
burat
right?
means?
It means sickening, according to Marina Summers, but I don't think
Yeah.
it means sickening, according to everyone else's
So,
reactions.
sickening means like may sakit. Sickening is may sakit.
Ah,
Yes. Sickening in Tagalog, may sakit. Like, nilalagnat. It's
my
fever.
sucket?
Fever. May sakit.
My sucket.
May lagnat.
I feel like if you just keep saying more Filipino words at me, I'm not going to learn.
Girl, no, I'm teaching you the right thing.
Okay. I don't know.
Yes.
Oh,
May
Arizona,
lagnat.
Panget. Yeah, you are a good teacher.
Wow.
That's what Hannah said.
Pangit ka rin, gago ka pala eh.
Panget, Arizona.
Ivory glazed gago.
Oh. Yeah.
Yes, gago means like you are the life of the party. In your case, maybe you are like the death of the party.
No, it depends how drunk I am, really. 2 to 6 drinks, life at a party. Anything less, no.
Are you drinking?
I
Or
will
are you
be.
sober?
I'm sober now, but
You're sober now, but you
not
will
for
drink.
long. I'm gonna go find where I can buy alcohol from.
They'll just give you alcohol on our show.
Oh yeah, please.
Yeah, I'll give you alcohol. What alcohol you want? Isopropyl? Ethyl? Okay.
Yeah, just straight up ethanol, just gasoline. Go to the Shell girl and just fill up a bucket for me. I'll just drink that at the show.
Pag yan na himatay, do you know what himatay means?
Himatay.
Yeah.
No. What? You explain it. Himatay.
Himatay means like you fainted.
Well, yes.
They were asking if are you feeling like fainty right now?
Probably
No,
at like 2 a.m. when I'm at Rumpa, I'll probably feel a little bit fainty. Or maybe at Butterboy tomorrow.
Yeah, how's the weather right now? Are you adjusting now?
Yeah, this is so fine. Like, I actually, I learned the trick halfway through filming. I asked someone to get me some Axe body spray, and I just rub it on my whole face, and I don't sweat anymore. Yeah,
Why
so
did you use it on your face? Is your face look like a kilikili?
I'm being red, but I don't know what it even means.
Yeah, you were not red. I'm red, though. This is red. What color you're wearing? Gray, right?
Yeah, gray. And then it's just skin tone underneath. What are you up to tonight?
I'm up to here.
21 floors up. Yeah.
Yes, I'm up on the 20th floor tonight. What you up to? What floor?
I'm on 33, so we're both high enough to jump, and if we can finish it that way.
No, I'm filming something, but you're at Rampa, right?
Yeah, I'm
How
gonna
are
see.
you still chilling?
Who am
You
I
should
killing?
be ready.
What? Huh?
Never mind.
Nah. But I'm gonna try drag Kiana out to Rumpa tonight. So I'm gonna go see her, and because she's the only one I'm not working with this trip at the moment, so I won't see her at all otherwise. I'm like, get your ass out. But I know you guys are so busy, and it's like so good to see. But like, my God, I feel like I couldn't. I'm just gonna take like shitty little TikToks here. I don't need a team for that. I have a tripod, and I'm good to go. But
Yeah, you're good to go.
Yeah.
Bye-bye.
Yeah, bye-bye. Good to go home.
So yeah, I'm so excited. Like, I want to hang out after this. It's just a busy week, you
Yeah, I
know.
know. I know. But I do want to hang out. And like because I'm traveling on my own, I don't really know where to go. And like
Mhm.
Venus told me about some markets to go to, but she said I can't go on my own because they'll scam me. So
They will.
they will. I already took my laundry to like the laundromat and they like just didn't give me any
Mhm.
change. I was like, oh, you know what? It's fine. Like just keep the pesos. You can have it. Um like so I think if I go to the market to buy fabric, they might, ramp up those prices.
Yeah.
Mm.
You have to go to Tagaytay. That's what I was saying.
Isn't that 2 hours away?
Yeah, that's 2 hours away. It's worth it though.
So it's just near the airport for me.
It's not near the
What?
airport. They were asking what Filipino foods have you tried?
Oh, well, I was at Manam yesterday. Manam, it's a Filipino restaurant.
Manam. I know Manam. Do you know
Yeah,
Manam? It's a song by Kylie.
Manam. Oh no, no,
Manam,
Manam Manam.
Manam.
Ban,
Ah!
ban, Manam. Didn't I do that in
What
All
did you try
Stars? Manam
there?
Manam. No, we had like pork adobo. We had some sisig. We had a lot of Filipino. It's like a traditional Filipino restaurant, so they only serve like traditional food. But it was really
Mhm.
nice. Um, and yeah, I really enjoyed it. And we had like ube drinks and penne drink. It was really really nice. So I do like Filipino food, but I did have to be like, is this one gonna be spicy? Is this one gonna be spicy?
Are you
Because
not allowed? Do you not eat spicy food?
I don't eat too much spicy food, but I definitely don't eat it before I get in drag. Because
That's why.
it's
And like
very
spicy food.
yeah, spicy food in drag, not a good combo.
Why are you combo drug and spicy food?
I like to live life on the edge, Arizona.
Yeah.
Anyway, I think that I want to teach you a bit of Australian because I feel like at this point you need to learn
Okay.
something. And it's nothing crazy, but like so we have you know oh no. Yeah?
Arnar.
Oh no. Oh no.
Mm-hmm.
Then we've got Yena.
Yana. Is that a
Yeah.
slur?
Which just means
Yana?
yeah nah and then nah yeah. So
What?
yeah nah means no, nah yeah means yes.
Oh, Naya.
Yeah, I
Na
know.
Yana. Here in the Philippines, we eat a lot of yana. Like, that's so delicious. It's sweet, sweet thing. It's called yana.
Oh, is that, I don't know. Does that mean booty hole at this point? Like, I don't know anymore.
You look so confused. Na yeah means no, right?
No, nah, yeah means yes.
Why?
Because you're
Why is
like,
it
nah,
like
yeah.
that? Who invented that in your language? So I will scold them. Char. What is that? What is the origination
I
of
don't know.
that?
Girl, we're
Can you
all drunk in
explain?
Australia, girl. Who knows why? Why? We're just drunk.
So Australian English is like there's different Australian English.
Kind of. There's a lot of slang.
Kinda, right?
Yeah.
You have your words, or maybe you just invented it.
Yeah. I think we like to shorten a lot of words randomly. Like afternoon is
Right.
arvo and service station is servo. So you can like stop saying half the word and just add o at the end. You'll probably will understand what you're talking about.
Here in the Philippines, we like to make the words longer, China Marie. Like
Mmm.
that, like longer China Marie. And if you like it longer, you can say longer China Marie, hey, hey. So you add China Marie, hey, hey on every word.
Oh, so
Can you
gusto
try?
ko burachi na Marie hey hey. Yes.
Yeah!
Yeah.
That's the most proper thing. That's the most proper thing to say it. You add China Marie, hey, hey. Kinemper
um,
latik. If you want to make it longer, you add kinemper latik. You try it on a different word.
okay. Um, a different word. Oh, shutaka and oh wait, what was this? What was the part to make it longer?
China Marie Hey Hey Kinemper Latik.
Uh,
China Marie Hey
Tina
Hey
Marie, hey, hey.
Kinemper Latik.
Kidnapper Latik.
Latik.
Latik R.
No,
Ah,
student, you're about to be expelled.
that's fair enough. You know what? Once
Yeah.
I started doing drag, I gave up on being smart. I gave up on that years ago. You don't need to be.
Yeah. It
Yeah.
kind of showed.
I
Uh,
know. I know. I was not even. And then they asked me, how do I stop discrimination against all Asians? And I was like, well, Asians already discriminate against themselves. So I was like,
Right.
I'm here to solve world peace. And then Kitty was just like, bonjour, France. Perfect. I
But
should have just.
compared to other answers, like yours is okay.
No. I watched Miss Congeniality. You know the movie Miss Congeniality?
Yeah, I know.
I hadn't watched that before until I came here this time. And I was like, why didn't I watch this movie right before I came?
Right.
I would have understood that. Though I thought it was like an unserious pageant
Mm-hmm.
because of the name. But
I
then the
thought as
questions
well,
we
but
didn't
then the
know.
questions are so serious, so
That took
might
me
as well
really off
give a
guard because
serious
we did.
answer.
Yeah, I
Right.
was like, are we supposed to be serious right now? I don't understand what's happening. But, you know, whatever. I had those tissues in here for sweat. So I was like, let's just pull them out.
Yeah, I'm
Penguins!
sweating right now. So can you say like we're gonna end this now because I'm gonna eat. I'm gonna eat dinner. Can you say goodbye to all of them in Tagalog?
Sayonara, Mina.
In Tagalog, what?
No,
In
that's
Tagalog,
Japanese. I can do Japanese. I watch a lot of anime, but that's bad.
okay, but in Tagalog, say ulul, gago, pakyo kayong lahat. Just
Putang
say
ina
that.
mo, everyone. Bye! Yeah,
Bye
how about that one?
bye. See you.
See ya. How do I